Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah guys, क्या हाल चाल है? Now I will show you some of the amazing and awesome things here in this shopping mall. This is IKEA, Dubai very famous shopping mall. Here you see this one. This is the full bed shirt and everything you will get ready and you can buy it. It is very awesome. Very look at the cupboard. It's so much beautiful, so much pretty. This is the bedroom full set. This is the washroom area. You can buy everything as per your convenience and your. Look at this. Everything with the tags, cupboards. Look inside. And this is the one more option you can buy. This is with the tags. Look at this. ये आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा माशाल्लाह. It's very pretty, very beautiful. We just get it ready for the full bedroom with the cupboards and everything like this. You will see it. Everything with the tags. You will find out the prices, everything. This bed can be openable. Look at this. It's very nice, mashallah. Inshallah.